When you need a professional plumber to fix something you can't, Pioneer Plumbing is here for you. Our team has the equipment, the experience and know-how for any problem a homeowner in Metro Vancouver could face. Let's start with leak detection. Even a small leak can cause significant water damage over time, not to mention a high water bill. We use state-of-the-art technology to locate hidden leaks, whether they're behind walls, under floors or in your yard. Early detection prevents costly repairs and protects your home. Next, let's talk about repiping a house. If the pipes in your home have poly B or outdated pipes, you could be at risk of frequent leaks. Repiping your home replaces old pipes with modern, durable materials that improve water flow and reliability. It's a big project, but the end result is worth it. Clogged drains are a real nuisance. Professional drain cleaning not only clears blockages, but also prevents buildup that can lead to bigger problems. We have tools like a power auger to clear out stubborn blockages, ensuring smooth drainage and reducing the risk of a future clog. Finally, let's talk about sewer cleaning and repair. Damaged sewer lines can cause backups and unpleasant odors, impacting the comfort of your home. Modern techniques like hydrojetting minimize disruption while fixing the problem. It's a faster, cleaner, and more efficient solution. Your plumbing system is the backbone of your home's comfort and functionality. Whether it's leak detection, a full house repipe, drain cleaning, or sewer repair, staying on top of things will save you time, money, and stress. If you're ready to protect your home and ensure your plumbing is in good shape, contact us today. Schedule your plumbing inspection now. Call 604-872-4946 or visit www.pioneerplumbing.com.